Welcome to our channel. New to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for more videos like this. Today we will show you a new video on Kalzer Professional Countertop Blender 2200 watt blender for shakes and smoothies, smoothie blender with 7 pre-programmed settings and 9 speed control, high-speed blender for kitchen for smoothie maker, 2200 watts of professional performance. Power. The professional countertop blender can easily crush and blend an array of ingredients, supporting your healthy lifestyle and fit your daily nutritional needs in a simple, easy way. Preset Auto IQ programs. 7 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create juice, ice crush smoothies, grains, sauce, grind, hot soups. And hot soup mode is blade friction heating generated by high speed, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Variable speed control. 9 variable speeds can handle fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables with ease, easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. BPA free. The jar and the lid are all made from food grade BPA free material, safe and healthy. Great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family as well for commercial use. What you get: 1. 2200 peak watt motor base, 1. 70 ounces blender pitcher with lid and vented lid cap, 1. Tamper, and 1. Quick start guide. For more information and to buy this product, see the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.